Delta pilots are handing out the trading cards in this new release, so hopefully I get some more. After almost 2 hours, we are finally boarding the plane. Finally boarding the plane. Look at that. So here's the first section on the back end of the Airbus A350-900. So this is the galley where all the snacks and stuff are stored, etc., etc. You can check out some other things too. Now we have this upper deck area in the A350 here. I think it's for the flight attendants to sleep in and other crew, so got that as well. And this is the very back door of the A350. Here is a view outside. And we'll check out some more in here as well. Here's the inside of the lavatory in the A350-900 on Delta. It's very nice.
Very nice lavatory.
Bro, twin. You just ruined it, bro. Now there's a seat back in the seat on the Airbus.
Out of the shelter.
I don't know how to get this fully down, sadly enough. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Bro, we have double lines. We can have double lines. One on that side too. Are you serious? I could just walk.
There we go.
Wait, what?
Someone stole the seat back card. That's fun. Here's another overview of the A350-900. Very awesome. Here's some of the lights here. Air conditioning works just fine. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Yay. We're on the plane. Here's another midway of the galley here at the A350 here. And here's the other door as well. And there's still a big line to go through, so let's continue.
Getting a line today to help everybody give an opportunity to for that photo if you would when you reach the front of the aircraft. Please have your phone ready for your photo.
Next up, we've got Economy Plus, or Comfort Plus. Comfort Plus. Not much different except for the comfortability of the seats and stuff, and leg room, obviously. But overall, just a slight change. Here in the Delta A350. And here is what it's like in Comfort Plus. Absolutely more comfortable with leg room. That's why I think Comfort Plus is at least the bare minimum when I fly long haul, if I ever do, because I never flew long haul before. First time ever even being in an A350, but overall, pretty nice. And it is still raining out there, so not cool. Here we have premium seats. This has been left reclined for a weird reason, but I have a movie playing for some reason. These are kind of hard. This opens. I don't know how I'm supposed to take this out properly. Oh, I'm so stupid. That is interesting how this tray table goes. Interesting. It goes in there like that. Clothing hanger. I want the seat to go back. Okay, it's like, there we go. We have a remote here. Oh yeah, we got a remote here too. What? Oh shoot. That is cool. Then we have a storage here. Armrest here. Chargers. Seat back pocket. We have the safety information card on our Airbus A350-900. There we go. Put that back inside, and then we have a puke bag. Oh no, that's a baby care, never mind. I thought it was a puke bag.
You guys are like this close to me.
And this is a view from outside from here. Delta 1 business class.
Only thing that's different.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Storage. We got a side visor here, big screen, storage down there, safety card. Seat is absolutely comfortable. Got a light there. Seat does indeed recline. Hold up, release the seat door. That is cool. And then that should release it. That's an emergency release. So let's get out.
Okay,
And we're officially off the plane after 4 hours.
But you're
Wow.
here.